Hey, hello and welcome. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate an image using Leonardo.ai. So this link I will let it in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So first of all, you need to join and maybe log in here. So I already log in. So I want to click on image generation. Again, click on let's go. Then first of all, prompt generations, image history. So I need paste my prompt. So I already created and write a prompt using ChatGPT. If you don't know what is ChatGPT is a AI content writer. You can write any content, any blog post, anything using ChatGPT. So now I need to select what type of size image I want. So I want default. This is better look. So dynamic, enemy, general, and illustration. So I select none. Then I click on generate. This is simple way. So when you click and when you join this platform, you got 20 credit for image generations. And subtotal you got 130 AI token credit. This is our absolutely for free. So I'm very excited because AI is amazing. Wow, these photos are really beautiful and attractive because this look like sun and girl and dog and sea beach. I really appreciate for Leonardo AI. So I want to download this image. Just click this icon. Then already downloaded on my PC. Now if I use this image anywhere, any social media as you wish. So if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.